Our sun is too small to explode as a supernova, but what if it exploded as a massive star? The energy of a typical supernova is 10 to the 44th joules. This is 10 billion times more than everything the sun emits in its lifetime. This means 1 second of a supernova equals 10 billion years of the sun's work. Energy flow on Earth. L equals E divided by 4 pi d squared. D equals 1 astronomical unit equals 1.5 times 10 to the 11th meters. We get F approximately 10 to the power of 17 watts per square meter. For comparison, the solar constant is now approximately 1,360 watts per square meter. Supernova equals 100 trillion times brighter. The temperature of the Earth's surface will exceed the temperature of the sun's core in a fraction of a second. The atmosphere will evaporate instantly, the oceans in milliseconds. The Earth's surface will melt and turn into a magma ocean. The radiation pressure will be such that the Earth will literally begin to tear itself apart. This is millions of times stronger than the pressure of our atmosphere. The ejection wave will travel at a speed of approximately 10,000 kilometers per second. During the first day, the shell will reach Jupiter's orbit. In a month, the front will pass 2,500 astronomical units, further than the Kuiper belt. And in 3 years, the shock wave will reach the boundaries of the heliosphere. The sun's internal structure will collapse, forming a neutron star or black hole. If a black hole, then the Schwarzschild radius, R equals 2 gm over c squared, approximately 3 kilometers. That is, the entire mass of the sun collapses into an object the size of a city. Streams of neutrinos will pierce the Earth long before the light front. Within a radius of tens of light years, all planets and atmospheres will be sterilized. This is a common event in our galaxy. Supernovae occur several times a century. For Earth, this is instant death. For space, this is a common occurrence. We wouldn't even have time to understand what happened. Everything would have happened in seconds. The energy flow is comparable to the total power of the entire galaxy. That is, one flash can outshine all the stars in the Milky Way. Even at a distance of thousands of light years, a supernova can be visible during the day. But at a distance of 1 astronomical unit, it's all over in an instant. Probability calculation. For the sun, the chance of a super explosion equals 0%. The real fate of the sun is a red giant in 5 billion years. It will shed its outer layers and become a white dwarf. But as a thought experiment, a supernova shows how small and vulnerable Earth is. Supernovae are factories of heavy elements. Gold, uranium, platinum, everything is born there. We only exist because other stars have already died in supernovae. So the explosion of the sun would have destroyed us, but it was the explosions of other stars that gave us life. A supernova is the end of one system and the beginning of another. So if the sun exploded as a supernova, we would disappear instantly. But the point is that supernovas created us.